Hello, future developers. So welcome to the continuation of our financial dashboard. So here we would be working on this. Okay, we are going to start this text. Yeah. So remember our total this month and then its figure here, the $478. Okay, they are in the class bottom. Okay, the class bottom. So this, and then the total has H4. That's an H4 tag, and then the figure here has H1 tag. So that said, I'm going to target only this just this one. I'm going to do dot bottom. Okay, h4. Then I'm going to give it a top margin top of 20 px. If we have some space in here. Now let's do so. Okay, so that should be for the bottom 4. Then let's give our bottom a background color or a color that's for the text. So our bottom, we want them to have a particular color. So bottom, so dot bottom. Then I'm going to give color. So our color code is going to be, let's use hash 8C A6 B2. Okay, so there's the color that we have. And then let's do that of our H1. So H1, let's see our H1. So all H1 tags, okay, so all the H1 tags are going to have a particular color. So this and then this, okay, are going to have a particular color. So let's do H1 and then we'll give it color. The color is going to be hash 455 A64. Okay, so you can see the color has changed. So for our H1, now let's work on our H2 tag. So H2, so H2, so our H2 is going to be for this. Okay, the spending last month, the spending last 7 days. Okay, that's the only H2 tag. Okay, which is this one. So H2, we are going to give it a color of this color. Okay. Or better so we could have declared it here. So H1 then H2 here. Okay, let's just clear this. Will still work. Oh, it didn't. Let me see. Okay, it didn't work. So okay. Now let's work on our bottom. Okay, so our bottom class, that's the bottom right. So which is this? Okay, this container. That's for this one. So I'm going to do bottom right. So dot is a class bottom hyphen right have hyphen r. Okay, that's the name. Okay, I give it a color of let's say 8. So this color, terminate it. I need to terminate this too. Okay, so you can see this. Let's work on the font size. So font size hyphen size, give it small. Okay, so it becomes small. Then let's work on our H3. So H3, I can just come here. Then H3, you can do it after this. Okay, H3. So our H3 is going to be from last month. Okay, which is this from last month. So let's give it a color. Should we work on the color? Let's use display flex so that it goes to the side, so right side. So display flex. Okay. Then we have flex justify content. Let's use end. Okay, so it's gone to the end. We have flex, justify, we have start, and then we have end. Okay, so end, we've put it to the end, that's the right side. Okay, so you can see we have flex end. Okay. Okay, so now let's work on this. Okay, which is, that's the figure here, which is going to be h4. Okay, so button r h4. So our class dot button hyphen r, and then I'll give her h4. So we are targeting that particular element. Then we are going to give it display flex. And then we'll just do a flex, display flex. Okay, so you see them gone there. Sorry, I was looking at this rather. Okay, so it's rather supposed to be this. Okay. So display flex, and then we'll do justify content. We just copy this. Okay, so it also goes to the end. Okay, so it's moved to the end. Now let's give it a color. So color. So the text color, I'm going to use this color. Okay. So I think that should be it for this particular project. So let's maximize it and then let's see our final output here. Okay, so this is our final work, and then congratulations on building your simple financial dashboard. Okay, so I'll see you in the next tutorial. Okay, thank you.